Hi folks, St. Paul Steam here with something that is not steam related. It's called a Doepke model toy made by Barber Greene, and it's an overhead loader with metal tracks. And this is a vintage overhead sand bucket loader on tracks, and it's built by Charles M. Doepke Manufacturing Co in Cincinnati, which is only about 45 minutes from me. And this pressed steel toy was built by Doepke around 1948 at its original Rossmoyne factory. The chain drive conveyor lifts its bucket chain up the ramp with a turn of the hand crank wheel, and another lever slightly moves the lifting ramp up and back. And this example is 18 inches high, about 10 to 16 inches in depth, depending on where you have the conveyor moved forward or back, and about 7 inches wide and weighs about 5.2 pounds. And it's an incredibly well built toy. Let's take a look around. It's just an oddball toy. I was lucky to capture it at an auction today. I started out and there was only one other bid on it. I raised him by $5 and was able to get it. So, and here's how it works. Kind of like snow blower tines on the front, the way that works. And crank this wheel. And it gathers the sand and puts it in the bucket up and over the top and down the chute. And you move this and lever, knob, rocks it forward, locks it into place, and puts it down on the ground. And as you can see, it does its business. The chain is very tight. I lubed everything, but it's still very tight. And I suppose you can move this back like that, and it raises it just off the ground enough for traveling. So just a heck of a thing, and it is very much of interest to me. I like oddball toys like this that are well constructed, and this one is. You can see this travels up and down that ramp just ever so little. Not much, but it's enough. So there we have it. I thank you for looking. Hope you found it of interest. Bye now.